Keep an eye out on your lawn now that we're in the summer months. If you see any small moths flying around, these are not going to be butterflies. They're going to be smaller than a quarter. It's common to see white butterflies that are about the size of a quarter. We're not worried about those. What we are worried is about they're maybe a grayish, brownish color. They're the size of maybe a marble. These guys right here, see this thing flying around? If you start seeing a lot of these flying around the yard, this is called Sod Webworm. You don't necessarily need to worry about the moths causing damage, but they will lay eggs, and about 30 days later, these are going to hatch into worms. The worms will do damage. Now, it's easy to look at the lawn and think this is drought stress, especially because under this tree, you see the shade line is nice and green. The reason for this is sod webworm damage is slow, and typically in the spring months, the fall months, areas of shade, the grass is outgrowing the damage, but areas where you have some additional stress, it's not outgrowing the damage. So as you're out on your lawn, if you see these moths flying around, let us know. This is included, so in between treatments, we will come out for free and treat these. So we are going to reduce this population down, but if you're doing proper watering, proper mowing, and us doing the feeding, the damage won't come on too quickly. Just keep an eye out for it, and we got you covered.